Okay, so next one is J, Ta'anis, fast days. So we just had the fast day on Friday. Right? One should make sure that to give tzedakah on the day of Ta'anis. Other has a custom to give an amount equal to the value of the food that they would have eaten had they not been Ta'anis. So we give tzedakah on the fast days, and at least minimum, right? So just to make it balanced, make it equal. To give whatever you save, so you calculate, for example, one day I spend such amount on food, such amount of money on the food, so you give this money, $3, $5, whatever is it, right? So you give this to tzedakah. Okay, so that's minimum requirement. What else? I want to add? No, that's it. So Ta'anis. Continue. Teshuvah, 9th of Av. Even though one is not permitted to give money or gifts to one's friends or Teshuvah, it is understood that it does not apply to tzedakah. Furthermore, the custom is to distribute tzedakah to poor on Teshuvah, and one should make attempt to do so. Okay, so before we continue, so the Teshuvah is when the temple was both of the temples were destroyed. So and because of the reasons, right? Because maybe the reasons we did not get along with Hashem, basically rebelled against Him, and maybe did not treat our brethren favorably, right? Right. So the way to rectify the sin is to give tzedakah. So of course we don't give gifts as he said, because why? So you're not allowed to, for example, on the 9th of Av, you're not allowed to learn Torah. Why? Because the Torah makes a person happy, and if you give a gift, any gift to somebody else, it makes a person happy. So you're not allowed. But to distribute tzedakah, so they say like in general, or right. So you're allowed to distribute tzedakah and give tzedakah. Okay. So at least if it's organization or something, so it's offered to tzedakah or send them. So if you send via internet, for example. They're going to get it today, but they're going to distribute different days, so it's not, there is no problem whatsoever. Okay.